Have you ever felt like quitting something you love because it just wasn't working out? Like, no matter how hard you tried, it didn't feel enough? Have you ever felt like life isn't going according to your plan and you are just stuck wondering, is this it? That was me exactly 6 months ago. After dedicating 2 years to my first YouTube channel while managing a demanding full time corporate job, I discovered something I truly love about myself: creating videos. October 2024 was the last time I uploaded my last created video on my first YouTube channel. But I had to push myself to create it. It was messy and scary. This isn't just my story, it's for you whenever you have felt stuck and unsure in life. I am Devki, 28 years old, and welcome to my little corner of the internet. Professionally, I'm a corporate employee working for a small private company, and personally, at present, I am currently riding the roller coaster of figuring out life while wondering why nobody handed out an instruction manual on how to lead adulthood. A few months ago, I thought I had this whole YouTube thing figured out. I had a vision and my enthusiasm to drive it and make it work. But life happened, and here I am, restarting my life at the age of 28. It does feel like showing up to a party long after the snacks are gone. But I think I'm ready for the dinner, the feast. If you have ever felt like hitting the reset button on your life while nervously staring at your to-do list for the day, let me tell you, I have felt the same. I still feel the same some days. My second beginning here on YouTube is a restart to a new chapter in my life. While I'm looking to embrace change and growth, a milestone with lessons from the past, while working ahead with hope and purpose in the future. You may want to ask, why this restart at 28? Because let's face it, the first round didn't quite go as planned. I had to pause. It wasn't an intentional pause. My mental health needed attention, and stepping back became necessary for my well being. I'm not starting from scratch, but rather from experiences I got, or let's say lessons that life taught. So, here I am, making this phase of my life more intentional and meaningful. To rewind a bit, in my 20s, it was always a mix of family expectations, societal pressure, and my own confusion. Basically, a quintessential Indian experience. My 20s have been character building, a phase where I was expected to figure out my career, my relationships, my skincare routine, and my 5 year plans all at the same time. But spoiler alert, I haven't nailed any of those yet. Like most of us, I grew up being told to follow the safe path, study hard, get a good job, and make everyone proud. Though I'm not sure about the latter one if I made anyone proud, but I did all of that. I went to a college, got a degree, landed a job, but somewhere along the way, I realized I was ticking off boxes on someone else's checklist. And at some point, I thought I would wake up feeling like, whoa, I have made it. But instead, I found myself feeling stuck, uninspired, and constantly questioning, is this it? Is this what I am supposed to feel like? July 2024 to December 2024. It was full of mixed situations, too many sensitive emotions. There were moments when even simple things like following my daily routine or deciding what to eat for lunch or just navigating through life, all of it felt overwhelming. I tried restricting myself on social media, but didn't help. Seeing people my age vacationing in Bali, building homes, running successful startups, getting married in a large setup, or having kids, while I was just figuring out my normal daily routine. It was humbling, to say the least. I always thought I would have my life figured out before I turned 30. In Indian culture, We are so used to having timelines for everything, whether it's education, career, marriage, kids. But life doesn't always work that way. I'm now at a point where I've finally decided to take control of my story, of my life. To stop living for other people's expectations and start living for myself. Though I haven't achieved the big milestones society or my family expects of me, I have realized that small wins matter just as much, whether it's about following my boring average daily routine as a homebody or being disciplined and showing up for myself at the gym on a daily basis, or cooking my mom's favorite recipe without burning it, or finally saying no to things that don't make me happy any longer. These are the things I want to be able to celebrate. I have decided to stop measuring my worth by society's timelines. Because honestly, 28 isn't too late. It's not too early either. It's just perfect. It's just right. The age to take the pen and start rewriting the story. Because life is not a race for me. Achievements are overrated if they don't align with who you really are. What I want now is growth, not just perfection. I'm looking to find my life's purpose, not just productivity. And maybe a little bit of joy too. Which brings me here to start this new and second YouTube channel where I plan to document my second beginning. This channel is a space for honest conversations about the good, the bad, and the awkward parts of trying to figure out life. Whether it's navigating through my career changes, dealing with my deep insecurities, finding difficulties in relationship with my own self or with others, or just learning how to adult without losing my sanity. I want to share it all with you because I believe in talking about things that people are generally afraid to talk about. To be honest, I'm not here to preach or teach you anything. I'm here to connect with you. I'm here to share my story with you, to let you know that if you have ever felt like you're not where you're supposed to be, you're not alone. You and I, we are just figuring it out, one messy step at a time. Because let's just be transparent here. Starting over is scary for me. It's vulnerable. It feels like I'm standing at the edge of a cliff and I've decided to jump, hoping that I will land on something soft. But what if I don't find that soft landing? Will I fail again? I don't know. It's a leap of faith into the unknown. Would you change anything if you could start over? Would you take the leap and embrace the unknown?